Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox on a mission. Wow, so many vehicles. I can't wait to open them so I can see them better. This is from the MBX Heroic Rescue. It's an ambulance. Wow, I love the green color. This is the Ford E350 ambulance. Look, it says MBX County EMS Medic. This is emergency medical services. Next, we have something from MBX Adventure City. This is the Garbage Gulper. It says City Services and it has a recycling sign on it. Wow! I love the blue and the white. And look at the yellow trash can. So fun! Next, we have something from MBX Construction. This is the Ground Grabber. He turns all the way around. And his scoop moves up and down. He also has a bucket at the front. He can bulldoze and he can be a front loader. Next, we have the MBX Heroic Rescue. This is Pierce Dash. It's a fire truck. Wow, I love the black and the gold. It's the MBX Fire Department. It even has a ladder on top. Here we have an MBX 2014 collection. This is a seed shaker. Wow, what a strong, mighty machine. It looks like it would be perfect for the garden. Next, we have MBX Construction. This is the Rainmaker. Wow, this mighty machine is really cool. He has these water pumps. He could spray the road all over the place. You could see his tanker. You can even see inside the cab. Here we have another MBX Construction. This is the Power Lift. Wow, it's a mighty forklift. Look at how long the forks are. I love that the forks go up and down. Here we have MBX Explorers. This is the Land and Air 2-pack. It's got a cool truck and a really cool airplane. First, we're going to look at our airplane. Wow! It's got a hook on it to carry things. It's got these cool propellers. Look at that airplane. It's really neat. And this orange truck is really cool. It's got a cage on top to protect the people riding in this awesome Jeep. And look, it has a tiger on the back. He's ready for action. Next we have a Matchbox on a Mission City Works. This is a 5-pack. Let's check out these cars. We have an MBX City Transit. Look at this cool bus. Here we have the GPNV Express Systems Delivery Service. Wow, they'll be able to get to any place fast. We have an MBX City Police Car. This is more like a scooter. Then we have an MBX Sweep Company. This is Commercial Maintenance Services. You can tell this is a truck that sweeps the streets. Here are his brushes. The last truck in this 5-pack is a Sanitation Services. It's similar to our other one. I'll get that in a second. It's got the bucket. It's almost identical, except the colors are different. We have more to open. This is a Matchbox Metal Gift Pack. You can collect Adventure City, MBX Explorers, Construction, and even Heroic Rescue. Let's open it up. Wow, this is from the construction set. Look at this bulldozer. This is the Bay Police. It's a police boat. It's ready for rescue on the high seas. Check out this blue sports car. It's so shiny. This is a Ford GT. We have another little bulldozer. Wow, check out this really big truck. He's got big wheels. Here we have an old-fashioned fire truck. It's green. That's pretty cool. It's even sparkly. Next we have this race car. He's number 28. He's from the Club 5000. This is a really neat construction truck. He's ready for the job site. Our last vehicle is this train. It's a Matchbox on a mission train. It looks like an engine. And it looks like we could connect it to other trains. We have so many fun vehicles. I can't wait to play with them all. I hope you come back and see what we do with them. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.